Hi everyone, hope you're doing well. Today we will learn about how to upload files on cPanel. This including uploading themes, plugins and programming file. A folder must be related before uploading. If no folder is needed, upload directly into the main directory. Now let's begin that video. This was done in 3 steps. Plus. First step is to log into cPanel account. Second is open the file manager. And third one is click on upload, select folder and then select the file to upload it. So let's do it right. First we go to and log in, and I already logged into my cPanel account. And then I will open the file manager, click on file manager and then I will click on public TML. You can upload file on here, but I will go in public HTML and then click on upload. It will open in new tab, click on select button and then you will see your pop-up, choose an image by double-clicking. Click on go back to public TML. It is our hope that you have been able to figure out how to upload files to cPanel. Remember to tell your friend. Take care, bye bye, we'll meet in next video.